Kor-It's Ek-201 is capable of coring holes up to 12 inches underwater. It has a 36-inch carriage travel and an anchor bolt base. The talented team at Kor-It has put together the most versatile drill on the market to make your job faster and easier. It weighs 180 pounds for the perfect balance of maneuverability and stability. An extension is also available that allows for up to a 48-inch core bit. Core anything, anywhere, with Kor-It's Ek-201. Up to a 48-inch bit capacity, 36-inch carriage travel, 180 pounds, and is capable of drilling underwater. The Ek-201 is available now on our website. Visit Kor-It.com today.